Okay, where's the one pack?
Sponsored by McDonald's.
Guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video, we're installing catback exhaust on my 8th Gen SI. This is our new cameraman. We just hired him.
What's good?
Legal immigrant from Honduras. How about get back to you guys? Alright, chat. Don't look in my car, it's really dirty. The exhaust Adrian got me for my birthday. He got it for my birthday. It's the J2 Engineering exhaust. I'm not gonna lie, the welds look beautiful.
For $400, it better be beautiful.
It feels good too. It feels good too. Put this right here. Wow, man. Look at that piping.
I forgot your 3/8 hours. I'm gonna get my 3/8.
Alright, chat. This is the before. Let's see how it sounds.
Put the clutch in all the way. Give a little bit of gas.
A little more. Sounds pretty good, chat.
That was pretty good start.
For a stock one. This is the exhaust we're running.
Yeah, J2 Engineering.
J2 Engineering.
You said put it in
So,
place and go?
I'll get back to you guys once we start installing it. Let's get to it. I wonder if the wrench is a little bigger. Yeah, that's like a 15.
15?
What was that? Yeah, 14 or 15. Give me a 14 or 15 one of these.
I just gave you a 14.
Or 15.
Bro, this shit still is new.
Yeah, 14 or 15?
Yeah, I think they put the OE exhaust on.
They probably bought a OE. Well, I just put a new tip.
How does that feel? Try that.
Here we are, chat, taking off the first section of the exhaust. Beautiful.
Perfect.
Yeah.
They tight.
Chat, let me lock in real quick.
Oh.
Pretty hard, not gonna lie.
Look at this guy. This nigga has 15 signed coilovers. Look at that. Green. That bolt off. We're gonna cut it right here so we could take some time. Yeah, cut now.
Alright guys, so we just got done taking off the muffler part. Only issue we're struggling with is this. We'll get that figured out once Adrian's doing that part over there. Just trying to use that strength.
Holy shit!
You got it, you got it.
Give me a
Almost got it figured out. We haven't been working on it too long though. It's only been like 10 minutes. Let's see if we can break it.
oh shit!
We'll be right back, guys. Technical difficulties.
Holy shit!
Finally got these rusted bolts out. Had to use some Hulk strength, but yeah, we just gotta take out this old exhaust and we'll be done.
Okay, where's the one pack?
Sponsored by McDonald's.
Bro's trying to get McDonald's points.
Alright.
Here we go, guys.
Here we got.
Here you guys go. Now we're installing the exhaust. We finally got out the old exhaust. It's pretty simple. Other than the 3 bolts, but you know how to use that strength because I'm Spider-Man. So
I'm not the hero the world wants. and I'm not the hero the world needs, but I am the hero that the world gets.
I think these 3 bolts go at the end. Actually, I don't know. Oh, they're the same. So guys, we'll be right back. This is the first pipe that we're putting on. It's pretty light, not gonna lie. It's a lot lighter than most exhaust I've ever felt. So, a weight reduction maybe? We'll see though.
Alright guys, we got it done. I'll do a sound test. I'm gonna take this off real quick. Let that J-tool into a network. J-tool. J-tool. Ooh. Oh shit.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's liquid right there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Wait, shouldn't we take the hood down? Wait.
No. Holy shit.
Wait, shouldn't we take the hood down? Wait.
No. Holy shit. Oh. That shit sounds nice. That shit sounds nice. That shit sounds nice.
Smell the old exhaust gases. Rev that bitch, go on. Don't be scared, don't be scared.
Sounds good.
Oh shit. Again?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll put it in 6th gear. It's not ricey. That's what I like.
Feels good outside.
Yeah, it's a nice little house.
All these
That
houses.
driveway would have been beautiful to work in.
Bro, hell yeah. Oh shit. My boy just
That was
clinched.
a little scary.
Yeah.